A natal chart, also known as a birth chart or horoscope, is a map of the sky at the exact moment of a person's birth, capturing the positions of the planets, the Sun, and the Moon relative to Earth. This chart is fundamental in astrology, where it serves as a tool for understanding a person's personality, life purpose, strengths, challenges, and potential future events. Understanding a natal chart involves delving into various components, each of which contributes to a comprehensive picture of an individual. The basics of a natal chart. A natal chart is divided into 12 sections, called houses, each representing different areas of life, such as relationships, career, and home. The chart is centered around the Earth, with the outer circle showing the positions of the zodiac signs and the inner circle divided into houses. The planets are placed within this structure, indicating their positions in specific signs and houses at the time of birth. To generate a natal chart, an astrologer needs the exact date, time, and place of birth. The accuracy of these details is crucial, as even a few minutes can shift the positions of the planets and the ascendant, the sign rising on the eastern horizon at the time of birth, which is one of the most important elements in the chart. The planets. The planets in a natal chart represent different aspects of a person's nature. Each planet has a unique significance. The Sun represents the core self, ego, and vitality. It reflects the fundamental essence of who a person is and where they shine in life. The Moon governs emotions, instincts, and subconscious habits. It indicates how a person feels and responds emotionally. Mercury is the planet of communication, intellect, and reasoning. It reveals how one thinks, learns, and expresses themselves. Venus rules love, beauty, and values. It shows what a person is attracted to, how they express affection, and their approach to relationships. Mars symbolizes drive, energy, and aggression. It indicates how one asserts themselves and pursues their desires. Jupiter is associated with growth, expansion, and luck. It reflects a person's philosophy, optimism, and areas of life where they experience abundance. Saturn represents structure, discipline, and limitations. It shows where one faces challenges in the areas of life that require patience and hard work. Uranus governs innovation, rebellion, and sudden changes. It indicates where a person seeks freedom and uniqueness. Neptune is linked to dreams, intuition, and spirituality. It shows where one may experience confusion or a desire for transcendence. Pluto represents transformation, power, and the subconscious. It indicates areas where deep, intense changes occur. The zodiac signs. Each planet in a natal chart is positioned within a specific zodiac sign, which modifies the planet's expression. The zodiac signs are divided into 4 elements. Fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, associated with energy, enthusiasm, and action. They are dynamic and passionate. Earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, grounded, practical, and reliable. They focus on material and physical aspects of life. Air signs: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, intellectual, communicative, and social. They value ideas and relationships. Water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, emotional, intuitive, and nurturing. They are sensitive and in tune with the deeper aspects of life. The combination of a planet and a zodiac sign reveals how that planet's energy is expressed. For example, Mars in Aries might indicate a person who is bold and assertive, while Mars in Cancer may suggest a more cautious and emotionally driven approach to action. The houses. The houses in a natal chart represent different life areas, such as relationships, career, and home life. The meaning of each house is as follows. First house, ascendant, the self, appearance, and first impressions. It reflects how others perceive the individual and their approach to life. Second house, personal finances, possessions, and values. It reveals one's attitude towards material resources and self-worth. Third house, communication, siblings, and short-distance travel. It shows how a person interacts with their immediate environment. Fourth house, home, family, and roots. It represents the individual's upbringing and domestic life. Fifth house, creativity, romance, and children. It indicates how one expresses themselves creatively and enjoys life. Sixth house, work, health, and daily routines. It reflects one's approach to work, service, and health matters. 7th house, partnerships, marriage, and open enemies. It shows how a person relates to others in one-on-one relationships. 8th house, shared resources, transformation, and the occult. It represents deep connections, both financial and emotional. 9th house, higher education, travel, and philosophy. It indicates one's approach to learning, beliefs, and exploration. 10th house, midheaven, career, reputation, and public life. It shows one's ambitions and how they wish to be seen by the world. 11th house, friendships, groups, and aspirations. It reflects social connections and collective goals. 12th house, the subconscious, spirituality, and hidden matters. It represents the unseen aspects of life and areas of self-undoing. Aspects. Aspects are the angles formed between planets on the natal chart, revealing how these planets interact. The major aspects include conjunction, 0 degrees, when two planets are close together in the same sign or house, their energies merge. This can create a powerful combination, but also potential conflict if the planets have opposing natures. Sextile, 60 degrees, a harmonious aspect that encourages cooperation between planets. It usually brings opportunities that require some effort to manifest. Square, 90 degrees, a challenging aspect that creates tension and conflict. It pushes for action and growth through struggle. Trine, 120 degrees, a very harmonious aspect where planets flow together effortlessly. It brings ease, talent, and good fortune. Opposition, 180 degrees, a polarizing aspect where planets face off against each other. It creates a dynamic of balancing or integrating opposing energies. Aspects add depth to a natal chart, showing how different parts of a person's psyche interact, whether in harmony or tension. The ascendant and midheaven. Two critical points in a natal chart are the ascendant, or rising sign, and the midheaven, MC. The ascendant is the sign rising on the eastern horizon at the time of birth, and it represents the persona, how a person appears to others, and their approach to life. It often shapes one's physical appearance and first impressions. The midheaven is the highest point in the chart and reflects career aspirations, public image, and life direction. It shows what a person strives to achieve in the outer world and how they wish to be recognized. Interpreting the natal chart. Interpreting a natal chart involves synthesizing all these elements, planets, signs, houses, and aspects, into a coherent picture of an individual. For example, if a person has their sun in Leo in the 5th house and is trine to Jupiter, they may have a strong creative drive, a love for the spotlight, and natural luck in self-expression or artistic endeavors. However, if Saturn squares this sun, they might also face challenges in fully embracing their creativity due to self-doubt or external restrictions. Astrology is as much an art as a science, requiring intuition and experience to balance the various components of a natal chart. It's important to remember that a natal chart doesn't dictate a person's fate but rather offers a blueprint of potentialities, revealing tendencies, strengths, and areas for growth. Practical applications of a natal chart. Understanding a natal chart can provide valuable insights for personal development, relationships, career choices, and life decisions. By recognizing one's inherent strengths and challenges, individuals can make more informed decisions, align with their true selves, and navigate life's ups and downs with greater awareness. In relationships, comparing natal charts, a process called synastry, can highlight areas of compatibility and potential conflict. In career planning, the midheaven and 10th house placements can reveal suitable career paths and how one can best achieve their professional goals. In conclusion, a natal chart is a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. It offers a unique lens through which to view one's life, helping individuals understand their place in the world and how they can best fulfill their potential. Whether used for personal guidance or deeper spiritual exploration, a natal chart serves as a cosmic mirror, reflecting the intricacies of the soul's journey.